Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to fix messages could not be sent on Messenger. Why do you want to know how to fix messages could not be sent on Messenger? Well, this is the only problem where so many people face it, right? So today I will show you how to fix messages could not be sent on Messenger. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So right now we have to just go to the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, then just go to the App Store. Now we will search your Play Store, and on the search bar we have to type Messenger. Okay, so we will just type here MESSA Messenger. Okay, and here we will just hit the enter, and after that you will able to see this Messenger mobile application here, right? So sometimes it doesn't work out, so you have to just search bar here, and you have to make sure that you update the app right now, because here I'm getting option update. In your case, if it is the same, you have to update the app right now and this will fix your problem. But if it doesn't, then you have to search setting of your phone. Just go to the setting, and here you have to scroll a little bit down, go to the apps, then go to the app management. In your phone it can be somewhere else, so you have to just find it out, and basically it will be available where all the apps is, right? So here on the search bar we have to type Messenger, and here we have got it. Now we have to do first thing, we have to force stop the app. Right now I'm not doing in my case. In the storage usage you have to clear the cache, and after that clear the data, right? So after clearing the data, this will definitely fix your problem. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix messages could not be sent on Messenger, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix messages could not be sent on Messenger, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.